Is this the first time you have gone on a blind date?
No. I go on blind dates constantly.
Really? Why so often?
I am a spiritual advisor. I go on these dates for the opportunity to impart arcane wisdom and metaphysical perspectives to the unsuspecting.
Awesome, Mr. Pirate. I am totally down with that. I have a wonderful spiritual teacher. She is the subway angel guru lady.
Yes.
Yes?
I know of the subway angel guru lady. She appears magically before those who are ready to meet her. I await the day of my first such meeting, with profound anticipation.
I come across her randomly when I am riding the subway. I must admit I am on the train more often these days in hopes of seeing her.
Many do the same. But some never see her. Only those who are in a state of consciousness that is receptive to the miraculous.